How to find and restore deleted voice memos in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open app library, then open utilities, and here you can see the option voice memos. Click on it. After clicking on it, go to main page, and here you can see the option recently deleted. Click on it, and here you can see the deleted data, and if you want to restore, then click on edit and select, and here you can see the option recover, and after click on recover and then recording, your recording will be recovered. So this way to find and restore deleted voice memos in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.